Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial I will discuss about how to create Play Store account on your Android mobile. So guys, when you get a new mobile or reset your mobile, you get to see something like this screen in Play Store. You can see appears on screen. So how to create Play Store account on your Android mobile, so please watch till end. So guys, close this window and open Play Store on your Android mobile. Simply tap on sign in here. So after that you will see this screen. Guys, if you have already Gmail account, you can log in. If you have not, simply tap on create account. Here is now a tap on for my personal use, and after that you can see here is enter your first name and last name. So guys, my channel name is iOS devices, so I will write that. So guys, simply tap on next. Now enter here your date of birth. I have written. Now tap on gender male. Simply tap on next. Here guys, wait for some second. Here's the interface. Simply tap on create your own Gmail address. Now here is enter your Gmail address you want to add. I am adding my channel name. Simply tap on adding some here numbers and tap on next. Wait for some second. Then again enter your password. After entering password, then next. And here is the interface. Simply scroll down and simply tap on yes I am, and wait for some second. Here is the interface. Simply tap on next again, and after that tap on I agree, and so you will see the interface. Simply tap on here, and your Play Store account has been created successfully. By this method you can see appears on screen. Now when you open Play Store, you will see this screen. You can download any application from Play Store. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.